Welcome to the power rule for exponents. So the way that this works is you already know how to multiply and divide powers, but we're going to talk about what you do when you raise a power to an exponent. What powers of powers, but Mr. Allen? Yes. Okay, so let's look at just the basic rule, right? So a to the m to the n is equal to, this is the law, a to the m times n, right? If you think about this, if we have x to the fourth to the third power, that's really just x to the fourth times x to the fourth times x to the fourth, right? And you know already that when you multiply powers, you add their exponents. So that's x to the fourth plus fourth plus fourth. So that is x to the 12th, right? Because, here, let's do it this way. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is just 12. That seems like a big number, but that's okay, because we're dealing with exponents, so we can write big numbers easily. All right, so really we could just shortcut this and say this is x to the 4 times 3, which is 12. No, that's x to the 12th. Right? Same. All right, there you go. Let's go on to something a little more complex. Note, this is what you should be doing for simplicity's sake. Oh my goodness, what are we looking at? Well, this is taking the product of 3 different powers and raising it to an exponent. And this works the same way. If you remember, you're just multiplying the power inside the parentheses with the power outside the parentheses. So this is x to the 2 times 3. Y, wait, but Mr. Allen, there's no exponent there. That's because it's a 1, it's a ghost 1. 1 times 3, and z to the 4 times 3. So that's x to the 6th, y to the 3rd, z to the 12th. And that's as far as you can go simplifying this expression, right? That's as far as you can go. That's pretty far, though. That's z to the 12th. Anyway, try this on your own. I believe in you. You've got the power.